What is going on, you all? Today we're talking about Quest 2 streaming tips that I wish I would have known when I first started. So this right here is for beginners and insights. I also have full tutorials on how to wirelessly stream. So be sure you like and subscribe and check out our playlist, as we will always have you when it comes down to virtual reality and learning the ins and outs of it, man. So let's get started. So when it comes to Quest 2, you obviously don't need any of these things to actually play and enjoy your Quest 2 aside from just having an internet access. You can even play offline as soon as you're downloading games. Some materials that are needed for a stream, as when you're diving into streaming, it could be to show it off to your friends and family for fun, or to actually become serious in your content creation. So I would just love to help you out on this. First things first, I'd recommend a dedicated Wi-Fi router, which is usually a Wi-Fi 6, just because it helps with just the overall lagging of anything else that's going on in your house. It can cause dropping frames. It can cause a lot more. So having a Wi-Fi 6 router that's dedicated straight to just your Quest 2 is something that I'd really recommend to really enhance your streaming experience. Have a streaming ready PC. Now this doesn't necessarily mean have a high-end PC. Just have something that can encode a stream, and by that you're gonna have to look into YouTube's minimum requirements, or you'll look into Twitch's minimum requirements for a PC. This means a stream that can be encoded smooth in a good process that's solid. Doesn't have to be the best high-end, because you're not necessarily going into PC VR. You're just encoding whatever is being copied onto the screen with your Quest 2. So therefore you don't have to spend thousands of dollars, but just find something respectable that can be shown at least in a 720 30 frame per second type of PC, which is, you can find a lot of those for a steal of a price. Make sure you are hardwiring your PC. Although the Quest 2 experience is wireless, that's completely fine. You don't need to link your wireless Quest 2 native. When it comes down to streaming, just ensure that your PC is always hardwired, no matter what you're doing, from streaming to just doing anything else work-wise or gaming. Just always hardwire the PC. It's just a lot easier, and you have full-on a stable internet connection that can be safe. Also recommend two monitors. Having two monitors is one monitor you can see your overall streaming software and just monitor everything that's going on, and then on the other side you can see the casting of your Quest 2, and what you'll need to look at on how you're looking and how the game's looking, how it's centered, how the process goes. And so therefore you need two monitors to really be split into that, to have it like a stretch format, so you can just see multiple windows while you're streaming, because you do have to monitor and know everything that's going on, from volume inputs and outputs to overall clarity, visualization, pictures, and just how the delivery of the stream is looking to everybody else. Quest 2 is a wireless experience. You get casting when you're doing these situations, when I'm just playing a Quest 2 game. So next, what you have to do is just cast your Quest 2 to a monitor, and in order for that to happen, it's going to mirror exactly what's going on your Quest 2. So what you'll do is that you're going to be able to cast, and then you put it connected into your computer wirelessly. Then you're able to see everything on that monitor. Casting just simply shows a replica of what is going on, and it's able to just enhance it and make it a lot larger, so that you can eventually add that as a source into your streaming software. One of my favorites also, now you can add some more spice and everything nice to your stream: a webcam, a DSLR, or a mirrorless camera. This is for, you can just actually see yourself, kind of like just how I'm talking right now, and it just allows for much more of an experience emotionally, and just seeing how you're looking in VR. And sometimes it could look a little weird, but it's fun for the audience to watch, and then you can see that on top of the gameplay. So getting yourself some type of webcam will usually be the best start. When you're casting to your monitor, always ensure that you're enabling the mic and the sound, just so you can record everything that is going on into your PC, so that everybody can hear everything in sync, and everything that knows what's going on. So it's not too quiet, it's not too awkward. Put it all the way at the maximum settings. In your streaming software, you can use Streamlabs or just OBS, and you need to add your sources now. What you'll need to do in those streaming softwares, depending on what you choose, add your webcam, and you just add that hitting the plus button. Also add in your window. You want to add in a window capture device, so you can capture anything that's being shown on that PC. So technically what had happened up until this point is that you're on your Quest 2 playing a game, then you're casting it over to your PC. Now your PC grasps onto everything, because they are now linked in, intertwined. Now it shows it on your actual monitor and your PC. Now you're able to capture that and put it into your streaming software. So it's kind of like a three-step process. Sounds a lot more confusing than what it is, and basically it just mirrors everything what's going on top of a webcam. Now you're getting live action of everything going on. Last but not least, you always want to know where exactly you're going to stream: Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, wherever it is. Everything has kind of a different setup, but it's all in all the same. So Twitch has their own types of settings. YouTube has a little bit different of a variation. TikTok's the most different because the format's different, but Usually the output is the same, so whatever software you are choosing, just kind of make it unique to its own brand going onto each of these platforms. Just make sure you choose what's your favorite. After that, you just simply go live. As long as you have your cam, as long as you're casted to your PC, as long as you have it viewed up on the monitor with the window capture into your streaming source, everything enabled, your mic, your sound, and whatever game you're going into, now everything's being shown and correlated directly live along with your facial reactions. So you're ready to go. You just hit the go live, and just like that, you're ready to start streaming. That right there are some of the tips that I would recommend definitely when you're jumping into the streaming. If you want more and more insights, I have tons of tutorials, wireless and wired, and also using PC VR, which takes even a next level step, and just Quest 2 native streams that are straight to the point. So make sure you subscribe. I appreciate y'all so much, man. Y'all have a good one. Peace.